Did you ever wonder where robins go in winter? Many believe they fly south only to reappear as a familiar sign of spring. But surprise, robins stay in Kansas year-round. They simply move into woodland settings where they find food and shelter. Robins are social birds, forming winter flocks that may number into the thousands. These flocks live in creekside or forest timber where leaf litter teems with insects and arthropods. Robins eat berries from shrubs and trees, but they also scratch through fallen leaves to find food. On a quiet afternoon, the sounds of a feeding flock are noticeable. I recently filmed a huge flock of winter robins at Benedictine Bottoms Wildlife Area near Atchison. The dense young cottonwoods in this river bottom habitat harbored acres of the familiar songbirds. They moved constantly as they fed. Occasionally, large groups would fly for several hundred yards before settling back down. I looked in the leaf litter to learn what they were feeding on. There I found a surprising number of tiny snails. Though some were bleached and dead, many live ones no doubt created an excellent food source. While some robins fed, others watched for danger from overhead trees. Robins are constantly alert for coopers and sharp-shinned hawks, bobcats, and other predators. There is greater safety in numbers. The Kansas outdoors is an endless source of wildlife interest. Hardy birds like robins find provision even during winter months. I'm Mike Blair for Kansas Wildlife and Parks.